How to buy Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can buy Amazon Prime Video subscription. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to buy Amazon's Prime Video subscription, you have to just go ahead and first of all launch the Prime Video application on your phone. Once you launch your Prime Video app, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then you have to tap on the profile icon, which is at the very top right hand side, because currently me including myself actually have a free account, and if I want to upgrade to premium, again you have to tap on the gear icon from the very top right hand side and you'll see all these options. Here you simply want to scroll and find the option called manage account. So just tap on the manage account button, and as you tap on the manage account option over here, you'll be able to see all of your membership details as well. You can also see it says you do not have a subscription to Prime Video, and in order to subscribe to Prime Video we first have to set that payment method. I'll just tap on the set payment method option in order to go ahead and set that payment method, and it will give me all this information. So depending upon what kind of payment information you have, fill in your PayPal or maybe your debit or credit card information, enter your card name, your card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVC number, and then you just need to tap on the option that says add your card. Once you tap on the add your card button, and after you've added your payment method, you will have successfully subscribed to Amazon Prime Video membership. And that's all it takes to buy Amazon Prime Video. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.